Just doing another quick update on the alfalfa hay. We decided to rake this morning, which is Wednesday today. And then the rake broke down. Plus it got too late in the morning. It was 10:30 and I was losing too much leaf, so we quit and got the bearing fixed on the wheel. So the rake is ready to go for tomorrow morning. So we're gonna rake in the morning when the dew is just coming off. So we're gonna look for a big, thicker spot in one of these rows right here. We're gonna look underneath here and flip it over, and we'll see if we can find a big, thick stem. This one's pretty thick. So that's getting pretty dry now. You can't really scuff the outside of it off anymore. It cracks pretty easily. So that's pretty good. I think we should be ready to bale this for tomorrow. Yeah, it's pretty good. We'll try and find another thick spot here. It's all pretty crackly. So I think we're ready for this stuff here anyway. I'll have to try and go into a different spot of the field and see if we can. Yeah, I think this stuff's ready to bale for tomorrow. That's pretty dry. What we're trying to look for is look for any moisture in this stuff. Because if I grab it, it just crumbles. It's dry. Yeah, I think this is ready. Well, tonight, June, I don't know what day it is, June 2nd or 3rd. Anyway, it's, is it Thursday today? I'd have to double check, but anyway, we're gonna bale today, or tonight. It's 8 o'clock, the humidity's at 40%. And we're gonna try to get this all done today. I'll just show you what we're gonna be looking at here, and you'll see the baler soon. These are the windrows here. So we'll pick up the bottom of the row, and we're gonna look for a nice green thick stem, if we can find any. But they're cracking pretty good, the thick ones that I can see. And the leaves are still too dry. Ideally, you don't want to bale right now, but we got really no choice because we got 50 acres to do. So these leaves are still too dry. They crumble into powder. But by the time 9 o'clock hits, I'll try and take another video and show you what the leaves do then. They should roll up a little bit. It's 11 o'clock at night and we're still baling, making some beautiful hay. About 21.8, 21.7 moisture, and we're keeping most of the leaves on this hay. That's some beautiful hay there. Flies are attracted to the light. Look at all those flies. So yeah, we'll just kind of keep an eye on it for now. I'll follow the baler, probe a bunch of bales. We're getting some close to 30%, but we're spraying acid on it pretty heavy, so we should be good.